In order to make the best coffee, we need to understand the golden ratio. That is the ratio of beans to water extracted. And this video, we're just going to discuss that golden ratio that is almost going to guarantee perfect coffee every time we brew with that formula. And we can scale it up or down depending on whether we're doing a Ristretto shot, a lungo shot, or the traditional espresso shot. This video is really going to help you to lift your coffee making experience and take your skills to the next level. The critical factors, though, that we should be looking at are the extraction and the yield that we get. So we can control that with the amount of beans and the amount of water flowing through the grind. We need to ideally match the ratio of beans to water on a 2-to-1 basis. 2 lots of water to 1 lot of beans. And we're talking about the final extraction. So if you weigh your beans and you weigh the extracted coffee, you should have twice as much weight in the extracted coffee as you do in the beans. Now, if you go for a Ristretto shot, you're going to be slightly under that. If you're wanting lungo shots, the longer espresso shots, you may well be slightly over that. But we shouldn't be just adjusting the water to achieve those shots. We should also be adjusting the amount of coffee that we're using. So a Ristretto shot requires less coffee grinds than a lungo shot. So if you ever wondered why your shots have never been quite right, it's because you're messing up that 2-to-1 ratio, that sort of golden ratio that you get. So if you want a shorter shot, we should be using smaller amounts of coffee grinds. And most machines come with a variety of filter baskets. They've got different depths on them. You'll get better extraction if you use a shallow basket when you're getting these shorter shots, and then use the much deeper baskets if you wanted a lungo shot or a double espresso shot. But I really would encourage you to play around with the amount of coffee, the amount of water that is extracted. And the best way of doing that is to do back-to-back taste comparisons. We can't just do a morning coffee and then our afternoon coffee and expect to remember what the morning coffee was like. So take a little bit of time each time you get a new packet of coffee or you try a different type of grind. Just experiment, pour off 2 shots and compare them back to back, but adjust the amount of coffee and the amount of water you extract, and you will find that sweet spot that produces the perfect coffee. So thanks for watching. Please boot the like button. That really does help us to get out there. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so, because that really helps support the channel. The algorithm loves channels with lots of supporters, and as you can see, we don't have very many at the moment. And I've lined this video up for you that you should find really interesting. Thanks for watching. See you in this next video.